What is up guys, it's your boy Ian and I'm back again with another video. I am really sleepy. I have like 20 minutes before I go in for the next class. Actually I have 10 minutes now. And I had this question. When you guys are leaving or going somewhere, isn't it your mother who's usually last to prepare? Because they claim that doing makeup is a lot of work. So today I'm going to be seeing how long does it actually take to do makeup. And yeah, let us go straight into the video. First of all, I need to steal my mom's makeup. Let's go steal some makeup. Okay, here's the thing. I actually don't know where she keeps her makeup and how her makeup actually looks like. Hold on 1 minute. I found it. So basically, we have very few minutes because she's about to leave and I just took her bag without her knowing. So let's hurry up. First of all, I will be doing I don't even know what I'm doing. Not makeup. Definitely not makeup. Antibacterial. So basically, I think this is foundation, but I don't know whether it's the same. Okay, let me start off with some foundation. Is this how you apply foundation? Beautiful.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Let me add some more. I look amazing. Yes. Now I'm going to do, I don't know why, but mom's hands never come out like this. I think they're used to makeup, so they just leave the makeup go away and then her hands remain clean. Oh, I don't know why women put so many things in their handbags. Mom has a chewed stick. Sorry mom for exposing you, but you have a chewed stick. Is roll-on part of makeup? Besides, I haven't bathed in like 5 days. So basically I have done my face. Now let me do my eyebrows. I'll just use a toothbrush. Let me do my beautiful eyes with this. My beautiful eyes. I think they do it here. But sometimes I see them drawing things here. I don't know what they are. Let me see whether I can draw those things. But it's supposed to make you look skinnier. And I'm already skinny. I look unhealthy. Yeah, I think that's it. Now let me do the eyes. I can barely see. Yes. Perfect. Now let me do the other. Yes, now it's the lips remaining. I think red will look better. I look like a clown. Beautiful. I look so ugly. Ooh, tastes like strawberries. How do women resist the urge to eat the lipstick? I want dark ones. But I've always wanted to have joint eyebrows, so I'll just do that. All the way, all the way. Who didn't want to date me? Damn! Let me go and see guys' reaction. How do I look?
Horrible.
Horrible, I look amazing. Just look at me. I'll be vlogging like this. No. No. What do you think?
What? What happened to you? Is that my makeup?
If this video gets 500 views, I will go into a Zoom class looking like this. So make sure to share this with your friends so that you can see me embarrass myself in front of my classmates. I'll scare the kids. Yeah.